All right, I'm on to my juice, and this is my first juice of the day. It is, a roughly 20 ounces of one of my everything but the kitchen sink recipes. But the base is, let's see if I can remember everything. The base of what I put in this juice was celery, cucumber. Um, what else? No apples, because this is not a sweet juice. As you can see, it's army green too. It's a different green than if somebody just has the celery juice with apples or pineapple, the fun, cute, you know, sweeter juices. It's not really designed for that. This is designed for fibroid freedom duty, right? We want to get some diagnostic work done. We want to take advantage of not eating solid foods. We want to give our body ample opportunity and setup to do what the body can do if you give it the conditions and what it needs. So, my goal for this juice cleanse is to support my body being able to do and reach deeper areas, deeper levels of cleansing that it normally would be probably not able to do because of constantly having to digest solid foods, if I've had any meat, that kind of thing. That's why doing, at least taking a time to focus on not eating food, solid food, and supporting your body with mineralization, vitamins, the power of herbs and nature, right? Giving yourself some time to slow down in that way, as far as eating and consuming, as well as supporting your body's systems so that they can do a better job at cleansing, reaching a deeper level of access internally with your organs and your bodily systems and functions. That's what this is all about, to make a long diatribe short. So this juice has a lot of additional herbs that you probably wouldn't often see in standard everyday juice recipes. I have things in here like the watercress, for example, which is kind of could be off-putting. It could be a little bit too hardcore for some if they have a very sensitive palate. It doesn't smell the best. It's got kind of a strong, like, light broccoli smell. And that, I'm theorizing now, has to do with the fact that it's a cruciferous vegetable, which makes it optimal candidate to add if you want to go in a direction and use tools from nature that you haven't used before that are going to give you bonus points, right? Give you some serious, super powered, super focused fibroid elimination properties. You want to go with cruciferous vegetables. So I have watercress in this blend. I also have cilantro. It's a natural heavy metal detoxifier or chelator. Helps to cleanse your blood. What else? I did so many things and now I'm drawing a blank. Of course, I've already said celery and cucumber. Oh yeah, I couldn't find red beets in organic form, so I got the orangey golden beets. There's carrots in here. Now, with the beets, I also rinsed thoroughly, soaked baking soda, scrubbed the stems and leaves, and I juiced those as well because they're going to offer additional powerful benefits to reverse sickness and disease, shrink fibroids, balance hormones. We also have parsnips. Parsnips are in here with the stems, also rinsed thoroughly. I said carrots. Garlic, amazing for cardiovascular health, your circulation, any arthritis or issues with your veins and arteries. The garlic is going to help out with as well. And of course, everything I mentioned is full of additional minerals and vitamins, including iron, vitamin K, vitamin A. But that's a little bit of what is in this juice. I don't think I left anything out. Because this one's not sweet, I like to make like a little cocktail out of it, in a sense that I like it to appeal to the times when I'm hungry for food that is not sweet. So I may add in some lemon juice. That's one of the reasons also, incidentally, why I add the garlic. Number one, I'm a garlic lover. I love garlic. Also because of all those benefits that I mentioned that garlic brings to the table. But on top of that, it makes the garlic taste and smell, makes it like I'm having an enjoyable meal that I would have. And it kind of helps with the craving. It helps me feel like I was able to get some of what I was looking for, even though I'm not having any solid food. Other than that, oh, this also has red cabbage leaves, which are very powerful at creating a healthy environment in your digestive system, cleansing and also nourishing your digestive tract, healing any issues in the digestion. We have that red cabbage there. Great for gut health, restoring balanced, healthy gut biosis, right? So that's a little bit about what's in this blend. Like I said, it's kind of helping. I do have some other little hacks that I do. Another thing I do sometimes when I'm doing a liquid/juice fast, I will allow myself, because they are a probiotic item. Now, I don't eat the actual solid food, but I will allow myself a little shot of like a pickle juice or juice from sauerkraut, which is also a natural probiotic, very beneficial for balancing your gut flora and supporting a healthy digestion, as well as detoxing the liver. But on the liquid cleanse, I'll allow myself a little glass of that too. And sometimes I'll pour it into my green juice. So that's just a little inside accountability check-in. I'm going strong. We're on day 1. And I'm moving on with some of my meetings, and I don't feel crazy or like I'm out of sorts or anything. Feeling like I made a good decision to cleanse at this time, and I'll be back with some more info for you soon.